good morning, my Benzinga fellow traders. It is 9:27. The market's bell's gonna ring in about 3.5 minutes. So we are trading the markets live in real time. 47.50 is too close in DMTK. Closed around 43. Yeah, I mean, we're not really committing to it. So you guys can see up on my screen, I have about 15 orders out in different stocks. Most of them are just feeler orders if they get to those levels. One of the stocks we're concentrating on is DMTK today. Stock is up like, where are we right now? It's up like $15. So we got a little order all the way down here on our pivot point. If its first move is down $5, we'll see what happens in that. And we have a bunch of orders in a bunch of other different stocks. Going to move very quickly in the morning. It is earnings season started, so we're watching a couple of the earnings stocks. UPS is an earnings stock, so keeping an eye on. We have a small position that we took in Donkey Kong this morning. They have earnings coming out in a couple of days. It's a stock that we like a little bit, so we're in it very, very small right now. You can see that I trade very, very small. There are people in my room when I'm doing 50 or 100 shares that are doing 1,000 or 2,000 shares or 5,000 shares even. So we always take it slow and steady in the morning, let things set up. If any of these orders get hit that we have up there, we'll go take a look at it and see if it sets up for a trade. As far as trend trades are concerned, which is our favorite trade, the ones we can make the most money on, we don't run into them until 9:45. So we give stocks a chance to open up and set up. Just because the stock is opening up doesn't mean that it's going to be in a trend. So we let everything set up for a few minutes before we run in and do anything. I am in my live trading room as we are speaking. I'm getting ideas from my peeps in the room all day long. We will post any of those that set up. Labu. Yeah, I like to short 86.60 in Labu. That's our pivot point. If we spike up $2 from here, Labu is on the radar. GameStop is on the radar. GameStop is always on the radar. We have an order in GameStop down on our 200 EMA if we spike down to that 177, 174 level. I think we'll get a nice bounce off that if that were to happen. And it's so important for us in the morning to just relax. There's no FOMO here. If things come in and hit our levels, we get involved. What stock, Jeremy? NVAX. All right, so we see DMTK is coming in a little bit now. Spread's good in DMTK. It's only a 10-cent spread, so I'd love to see a smackdown down to this 47.50 level early. Let's see what happens. That's down $4 from where we are. So I have a very small order out there, 25 shares. And if it holds that level, we can size up right away, see if we get a bounce off that. This is the one we'll keep up there for the opening. Best chance of doing something right out of the gate. NVAX, keep your eyes on it. We'll see what happens. Let's see what the trading gods have in store for us today. Guys, let me know when the bell rings in case I can't hear it. Should be momentarily. You know, in the morning, early in the morning, we never get commit to big size in any stock that we do. We keep it nice and small. The only thing we have a little tiny position in is Donkey Kong that we bought this morning. We'll see what happens with that. Tesla. Tesla had earnings last night. We'll see what it does today. We have a level down at 706 and then 694. So I put a little marker all the way down at 694. You know, that would be down $22 from here. Chances are we get a bounce off that if that were to happen. And they're off. Let's see what DMTK does early in the morning. Look, there are times when we get 10 trades by 10:30, and there are times when we get no trades. But one thing we're never going to do is run into a stock early and get caught in something. So 49.50 is the real early trend in DMTK. Again, I was hoping maybe we get a bigger smackdown than that. Well, let's see what happens. Be patient. Let's see what it gives us. UPS earnings coming in a little bit. 187 UPS, guys, if we spike down there. 185.70. All right, we got an order out there. That's fine. It's good. GameStop. Wow. Big spiky dikey down, but didn't get anywhere near our level. No good. What's Mr. Tesla doing? Spike up, spike down. Sitting right in the middle of everything. No good. I know it's slow when nobody in my room is posting anything in the first 30 seconds of the day. Labu coming down from 84.50. We like Labu at 82.80. Small for a little trade right out of the gate. It'd be down $3. MRNA and Plug. Let's take a look. Plug, nothing. Went down 40 cents. Kind of just sitting at a level now. Nothing yet. MRNA. Whoa, MRNA. 180, 160, MRNA. How about a little short up there, guys? A little stretchy poo-pooed up here. Let's try it small. All right, we're short a tiny little bit of MRNA here at 180, 160. MRNA is a stock I'd give $1. Keep it small. But give it a little room up here. It's almost getting to a far from moving average trade, MRNA. Keep it very small. We can almost go to the 1 minute now. So give it a minute. Give it a minute. A little bit out in MRNA at 180, 130 to cover a little. We'll go 180, 130, and 181. If we get a pullback, got a little 180, 130. Nice. And we're out at 181. All right, good job, guys. Let's see what the next move is in MRNA. Plug and PENN. PENN. Now, we got a little shorty up there in PENN at 95.50. Anyone grab it? That was nice. So here, guys and gals, right? PENN just went up and hit our pivot point, which is a short entry, and it went straight down $1 off that pivot point. Wow. Whack. Missed it. Wasn't there. BIDU. Whoa. 220.80 BIDU. Yeah, let's throw a little short up and BIDU at 220.80. We like that. That would be really stretched. What's going to happen now? Good. I'm going to start canceling all my other orders, guys. Let's just regroup. Regroup. So first trade, we got about 90 cents. So BIDU, we're looking at 220.80 because that would be really stretched out all the way up there. Hopefully it gets there fast. The faster one of our trades sets up, the better the trade is going to be. Whoa, pins. All right, 78.80 is a spot in pins, guys. 78.80. It almost got that, right? See, the reason we want to short stocks when they make giant moves like this is the odds are if this thing spikes all the way up to 78.80, the next move's going to be down. And this is what we're looking to do all day. This is what we spend our day doing. Every time we put up a chart, it's an opportunity. DMTK. Take a peek. All right. Let's go 47.50 in DMTK, right? That's our pivot point. It's down $1.30 from here. I like it. We'll do it small, and if it holds, we can add to it. Out. So I'll throw a little 25 shares out. Again, when I'm doing 25 shares, there's guys in the room that are doing 2,500. So it's all relative. What I like to do, if we get down to 47.50 and it shows us we can hold there, then we can size up, get up to 400 or 500 shares. That's what we like to do. BIDU. All right, BIDU, do it right now. So BIDU, we almost have an 80 RSI now, right? So that's telling us that the stock is really stretched. If we spike all the way up here, the odds are about 90% that the next move is going to be down. And you can see it's already pulling down a little bit now. FedEx. Well, obviously it's a trend trade, FedEx, right? We did hit an 80 RSI. We are, I don't know, almost $4 above the moving average. Probably 290 or so. You can start a little in FedEx. Maybe a little bit over 290. Start a little bit. What's our BIDU doing? Kind of hanging, not doing anything. DMTK bounced a little bit. Snap. Where'd you guys get in Snap? 60.69 is a short in Snap. I didn't see anybody post getting in. I must have missed it. All right, let's get a little short out and Snap at 60.69. So everything we're doing is based on our technical analysis. Our charts tell us where to make trades based on the technical analysis that we use. Everybody uses different technical analysis. MVIS was the wackadoodle one from yesterday, right? Yeah. All right, what do we got? You got something 23.25, Jeremy? I like it. I don't know what it is, but I like it. What is it? Tell me. 30-minute 65. Done. I like that a lot. We can be aggressive if it gets down there and holds in MVIS, 23.25. Good. So Jeremy just told me in the room it's the 30-minute 65 EMA. Boom. There it is. 23.25. Again, odds. Odds are if that spikes all the way down there, we're going to get a nice bounce off that. DMTK bounce a little. Snapper. All right. Go, Snapper, go. Anyone buy Snap with Solly? I didn't see the post, guys. I'm sorry. I missed it. BIDU. Nah. So BIDU's kind of hanging now. So once a stock doesn't get up to our levels and doesn't get up to it quickly, I'm going to cancel it. Cancel, wait for the next move, see what it is. Playboy, dead. Donkey Kong, 59.40. Let's take a look. Well, we got 60.22. I definitely like 59.40 in Donkey Kong. Good. Pop it out there. I know this can be very confusing early in the morning, guys. I mean, this is the busiest time of the day. This is when things are flying all over the place. And quite frankly, we're going to get 70 to 80% of our trades in this first hour of the day. And we need volatility. You know, we need volatility. We got Snap at 59.39. Very nice. Unfortunately, it was before the market opened. In FedEx. All right, good. What price did you get in FedEx on the short side, guys? This was a far from moving average trade. Just got a little bit too stretched out. It's pulled in $1. You know, we said to look at it around that 291 level. 290.68, great entry. All right, profits. It's a trade. It's a trade, right? It is a trade. GameStop running. BIDU pivot. Wow, BIDU just blew through the pivot. All right. We're almost getting ready for a far from moving average trade in BIDU, right? 222 will be $4 away. Yeah. I think we're better off being long BIDU than short. Let's throw a little order out at 222 to start. You see how it blew right through the pivot point? So no short. MVIS. All right, let's do it, MVIS. Come on. That little bounce, not what we wanted. Got down to what? 23.78. We were bidding 23.25. All right, let's give it another minute, but it's probably going to bounce from here. Maybe this is a better short, although it's not shortable, but I think it's a better short than it is a buy. Snapper. It's got the 60.01, 60.69. That's a little slow now. I still like it. Let's give it another minute. DMTK. All right, everybody who watching us, totally confused as to what's going on? Out FedEx. Nice job. So FedEx gave us a far from moving average trade up there, one of the trades that we teach, and it just came in $2. That's beautiful. Gorgeous. Now we want to buy FedEx if it pulls back to the trend, right? 287. I would have that out there. Donkey Kong. Let's take a look. All right, we're giving MVIS on MVIS. This popped down to that 23.25 level. I got my eye on it. Yeah, let's grab a little Donkey Kong at 59.40. I like it. All right, we're in a little MVIS, guys. Whoa. All right, we're in a 23.20. All right. All right, cool. Let's sell a little MVIS up here, guys, at 23.55. Boom. Sold a little MVIS at 23.55. Let's have a break-even stop now. And we'll try to get 23.80. And even stop. Let's try to get 50 cents on it. Mr. MVIS, do your thing. Give us a 50-cent trade right now. So we bought the MVIS at 23.30, right? So now we'll have a break-even stop at 23.30, and we're trying to get a quick 50 cents out of it. We might even raise our stop a little bit now, 23.40. But we just need a little pop here, and we'll be out of the trade. Very choppy right now. All right, guys, in MVIS, let's if this can't bounce more from here, we're out at like 23.40. All right, this is where we need the little bouncy bounce. Keep our eyes on it. So, you know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We'll look for a lower level, but we should have got more of a bounce from it right there. So we're not going to risk anything now. If it breaks 23.40, we'll just get out. We'll look for a lower level. And we're out. Next trade. Next real spot we have in MVIS now is 21.85, guys, and we love that. Let's put it at 21.85. We'll go 21.90. I don't want to miss it by a couple of cents. So we got 40 cents and we broke even on it. All right. That's okay. We got up to 23 what? We almost got out of 23.80. It says it traded at 23.84. Is that right, guys? Wow. I don't see it. All right. Donkey Kong's good. Cancel snap. DMTK bounce. Let's take a look. So you can see, guys, in the MVIS, right? What a quick trade that was. And that's just experience. This is experience. You know, I could just tell if it didn't go very quickly that it wasn't going to go. So we made a couple of pennies and we got our break even on some. Labu. The whole key to, guys, is it's getting out of bad trades. That's the key. Labu, how about, what do we got? 80-20 in Labu? Yeah, like that. That would be a big smack at that, all right? You know, sometimes when Labu goes, it goes, guys, but 80-20 is a good spot. That's down $2 from here. It would be a far from moving average trade. So I think we get a nice bouncy off that. Let's do it. MVIS will be far from moving average soon. Let's see. Well, hopefully it's far from moving average and hits us at 21.90. How about them apples, right? We get to 21.90, guys, and that holds. We can be really aggressive. I mean, we're down from $25. Let's play it like a far from moving average trade. I like that. So we'll do like, I don't want to bounce here. Go straight down. No bounce. No bounce. No green bar. Nah. I knew that was going to happen. You could just tell. I mean, it went down too far too fast, right? 21.80 would have been gorgeous for a trade. All right, let's leave it out for a couple of minutes anyway. See what happens. Probably right on the far from moving average there. Probably just set up. All right, no biggie. DMTK, let's look. DMTK. Oof. Wow, broke all levels, DMTK. All right, 44.60. We love in DMTK. Guys, see if somebody has something else in DMTK on a different time frame. But 44.70, we're all over that. 44.70. Guys, we'll be able to talk in a few minutes. Everybody who's joining us from Benzinga. You were with us yesterday, so it's not a total blur. So again, odds. You know, if this thing spikes down to 44.70, odds are the next move is going to be about 90%. It's going to be up. That's why I have a full order out there if we can spike all the way down there. And you can see if things don't work, we just get out of them. It is what it is. All right, Mavis, let's go. We're going to play this far from moving average if we get to 2180. Do it. I'll explain what the far from moving average trade is if this smacks us down there at that 2180 level. So we're going to do that very small. So I'm just going to put out a feeler down at 2180. If we get hit, we'll go look for the far from moving average. And we're going to get a bounce somewhere down there. So we'll have about 2180, 2130, and then we'll look for the bouncy bounce. So we'll buy it very small, and then we'll add to it if we get the far from moving average trade. Cancel Donkey Kong. Yeah, cancel Donkey Kong. It ain't happening. I agree. Labuski bounced a little. I mean, Labu could be setting up for a better short, guys and gals. Tesla, BIDU. Let's look. Best thing about my room, guys, is I have people posting stuff all day long. Tesla 707. What do you guys think? Very, very small. Tesla 707. Yeah, but very small. You know Tesla. Thing with Tesla is, you know, you got to have a pretty wide stop. So we'll try 707 if we get there fast. Very small. I like it. In BIDU. Where are we in BIDU? Sorry, I didn't get to it quick enough. Oh, nice. Beautiful. So here, guys, let me explain BIDU trade, okay? Stock spiked all the way up to 221. Now it's in an uptrend. Okay, so it just pulled back right around 219 and hit our 9 EMA to get into a trend trade. And a bunch of people in the room just got it at 219. They're up $1 on it already. Holy mackerel. That's insane. That is insane. So a bunch of people in this room, Eric posted it, 218.70. He posted it. Jeremy posted it. It got to 218.50, and you take $1 out of some right now. And now see what the next move is, raising your stop up. Nice job, guys. I missed that one. James, yeah. We can talk about that. Mavis. Again, you see how Mavis gave that quick bounce up? I mean, if we got to 2190, that would have been a spot to be really aggressive. Amanda, that's not uncommon. Okay. What we're going to talk about at the end of today is the course that we have developed that teaches you all the things that we're talking about in here. And it comes with mentorship. We get together every Thursday night and I help you along with it. But we'll talk about that later. We are still rocking and rolling a little bit. SQ 250, 230. I love that. Let's see if we can get there. But again, you know what the beauty of what we're doing is, everybody? My charts are telling me where to put my trades in. It's just a matter of learning the techniques and stuff. I'm not guessing. We're never guessing when we're putting in a trade. And that's how we put the odds in our favor of our trades working. You know, you're talking about SQ going from 261 to 252. That'd be down $8. The odds are that the stock is going to bounce from there. And everything we do is about odds. That's it. Playboy. Down from 53. Yeah, Playboy, 48. That's another one. Let's do it small, and if it holds there, we can size up. I like that. Playboy was a stock we wanted to short today, but it didn't go up anymore. How's the spread in Playboy? It's not bad. All right. Every time we look at a stock, it bounces as soon as we put our order out, right? Crazy. We buy some Playboy at 48. All right, let's go over our orders quickly because we got a lot out there. SQ is good. Tesla. Oh, no. Did we just miss Tesla, guys? You got to be kidding me. We missed Tesla by 17 cents. It went up $2, guys. All right, cancel. Look at this. So again, ladies and gents, look how beautiful this is. 707, we had a bid in Tesla. It got to 707.17 and went up $3. I mean, crazy. Guys, we got to cheat in Tesla. Did anyone cheat? Tell me someone cheated in Tesla. Christian, you got it. Good. So again, how long did this take, guys? All right. Guy in my room just bought 1,000 shares at 707.20 and just took $3,000 out of the trade. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Technical analysis. Is that crazy? Sick. Joe got a couple of hundred shares. Dennis got it. Christian got it. Oh, I love it. Nice job, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, SQ, bounce, cancel. So we've had in the room 4 trades this morning in the first 45 minutes. A couple of people did enough where they're done for the day. Isn't that great? It is 9:53, and people are done for the day. Yeah, TMTK bounced a little bit. And you guys are going to see now. The volume's going to start drying up already. It's going to. 30 minutes into the day, and we're going to start losing volume. We'll definitely do a double top in Labu. I like that if we get up there. I hold forever. You're holding Tesla forever? All right. All right, QQQs. I saw a bunch of people. That is correct, Steve. That is correct. That's what we're doing. And, you know, the thing is, once you learn how to do this and you can do a little bit of size, you only need 1 or 2 good trades a day. Now, keep in mind, everybody, okay? This is day trading. It's a completely different animal from swing trading. It's different from investing, which we also do. And we do swing trading and we do options trading. We do everything here. But having the proper money management and the proper technical analysis in your charts is what puts the odds in your favor, right? And Voodoo, as Voodoo said, we have the best room in existence. I only have 90-something people in my room. It's never going to be a room with 150 people in it because we can do all the trades at the same time. It's great. Plus, people are trading on their own, but they always have to post it before they get in. Nobody in this room is allowed to be an after-the-fact trader. We don't stand for it. If you're going to do something, you post it before you get in. 218.20, Bob BIDU, let's do it small. Cancel Playboy, that just bounced nicely. 218.20, Baba, BIDU. I always get BIDU and Baba confused. So we're going to try to get in on a trend trade in BIDU now. All right, down $3. 218.20 is the trend. We got 217.11 below that. So we'll do it small. Again, everything I'm doing here is for demonstration purposes. My P&L doesn't mean anything. It's all about the P&L for my guys in the room. 218.20. Let me do a little. It goes first, fast, Facebook. And we always want speed, guys and girls. Okay? Speed is the key to any trade that we do. Facebook would have been good at 301. Kind of hanging here a little bit, though. Let's look at MVIS. MVIS is hanging, doing nothing. Let's cancel that stuff for now. DMTK and Labu. I'm never going to leave orders up there too long. Because if they don't hit our levels when we want them to, chances are if they go to those levels again, they're going through them. So we got nothing right now except for BIDU. And we'll give BIDU a couple of minutes. Otherwise, we'll go lower in that. Long plays on SKT and AMC. Finally looking good after 2 months. Yeah, BIDU bounce. Cancel that for now. AMC, where are we? Nowhere. All right, but it's better. Yes. Oh, Tilray. All right, Sal, you said Tilray has this big thing next week? Is that what you were talking about? Look at some options in Tilray. On 430. All right. 20 calls of 53 cents. What do you think? I mean, we got to get above this 18 level. We're kind of sitting right here, right? 20 is huge. So we got 18 and 20. You want to take a shot with some 20s for next week for 50 cents? Guys, what do you guys think? 52 cents. And we got a week. Why not? Let's do it. So we're going to buy a 20 call for next week in Tilray. And it's going to cost us $52 to do it. $51. That's good until next week. They have a big presentation next week. So we're taking a shot. We're investing $50. You know, on a daily chart, if this thing can, get strongly above 18, we got room to at least that 20 level. So let's see what happens. And again, we got 10 days in it. Look, also, guys, okay, I do not give advice. I do not tell people what to trade. Everybody pushes their own buttons. Everybody trades at their own risk, yada, yada, yada. MVIS getting ready to pop. Jeremy, intuition trade. All right. If you like it, Jeremy, above 23.25 with a tight stop. Okay. Above 23.25, right in here with a tight stop. Give it like 30 cents. Well, I'm telling you what it looks like. DMTK 47.50 was good. I know we had it out there earlier, Martin. Let me take a look. DMTK. Wow. Yeah, the problem was it went below it by like $1.30, right? So, if we bought 47.50, we probably would have got stopped out of that trade because it broke below it by $1. So, according to our rules, we probably would have got stopped out. All right, let me look at some of your stocks you guys are looking at. BIDU. Yeah, you can try it again if it comes in fast. FCX. Let's take a look. SYN. Let's take a look. See, the great thing about our room, again, guys and gals, and look, I am in my boot camp this week, which means I'm teaching my entire class live this week. It costs money to do, but I'm doing the whole class live, teaching everything that we do. And that's why I don't have any visitors this week coming into the room. Otherwise, I'd invite you guys all in to hang out. Next week, everybody can come in and hang out for 5 days. And stay with me for free for 5 days. And check out what it is we do in here. I'm looking, guys. GameStop. Yeah, GameStop good. 174.70. Let's put it out. I like that. GME. 174.70 is good. Once you learn these techniques and stuff, I mean, again, our charts are telling us where to make trades. They don't always work. Okay. That's why we have stop orders. Donkey Kong. Yeah, Sally sucked us into Donkey Kong. He really crushed us in that one. What are the earnings in Donkey Kong? Yeah, let's add a little Donkey Kong at 59.40, guys. Yeah, me too. We'll add a little at 59.40. We'll hang out. I like it. Donkey Kong's kind of a little day swing trade for us. I think the earnings are going to be good, so we'll hang out. Hold on to it for a little bit. MRNA, Bo Burner. Double top in MRNA. Has it been 30 minutes, guys? I just did it at about 184.20, but that was close 30 minutes wise. So I don't know. I mean, look, if you did it, you just got 50, 60 cent trade out of it. So we definitely like 186.30 short in MRNA. Yeah, no, I like that. I like it. We will short 186.30. So every time we put up a chart, guys, the only thing that we're looking for is an opportunity to trade. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Bingo. Yeah, bingo's got to get above 8. I have a little option in bingo, but it's got to get above 8. Some of the stocks we look at, I will only do options in. It's like a lottery ticket. Either it works or it don't. We don't invest a lot of money, and we see what happens. SYN. Let's take a look. I'm with you. I'm looking. I'll look at FCX. Yeah, we don't trade penny stocks, Claus. We just don't do it. I mean, sometimes we'll do that if, you know, it's a lottery ticket. Ooh, MVIS, guys. All right. What do we got below 2180? I mean, this was the hot. Guys, didn't I tell you I wanted to short MVIS, right? Crazy. 2090 MVIS. That is our 15-minute. Let's do it. MVIS. And that would be the fall from moving average trade, guys, right? Look, if it holds right in here, it's probably okay, but 2090, I think we can get down to. Let's do it small. And then look for moving average. Now, one of the great things we do also, guys and gals, is I am not letting anyone get involved in these stocks when they do this. And most people are getting caught buying this stock at $27 and $28, and now it's freaking $21, right? So we had 1 day up, 2 days up. I was hoping for the third day up, and we wanted to do some options in it, but we didn't get it. You guys remember I talked to you guys about swing trading, right? So, Ramon, every day what? Oh, should we be doing more of this? BIDU 217.30. Let's take a look. I almost got there, right? Yeah, I mean, we might as well go double bottom at that point, 216.50. But is the market coming in here, guys? Donkey Kong. Yeah, we're going to leave Donkey Kong. We're going to leave Donkey Kong. Just leave it. We're building a little swing trade. Okay. Internet. I trade very, very small. Okay. My specialty is beginning traders and traders who have been struggling. That's my specialty. So I trade very, very small just as a guide for everybody else. My P&L doesn't mean anything. But like I said, there's people in my room who are just beginning that are trading 10 shares. And there's people in my room that have experience that are trading thousands of shares every time they make a trade. Wow. What the hell is a TION? TIRX. TIRX. It's shortable, guys. TIRX. I don't know what the news is or what the hell it even is. What's the average daily volume? Yeah, it trades a couple million shares a day. 1914, guys, is the daily resistance in TRIX. 1914. That would have been a nice short, huh? Wow. Not crazy? 1914 was the spot. Look at this, everybody. Our daily resistance level was 1909. Look where this stock just traded at. Missed it by 30 cents, went down $1.50. Is that whack? So even when a stock has a massive move like that, we had a level to short the stock. That crazy? BIDU. Yeah, all right. I kind of like BIDU, though, at 217.25, guys. Let's do it small if we go there fast. Yeah. I mean, that's our 65 and our 200 EMA. Let's do it. 217.30, we said. Yeah. Pop down. That's in right now. Do it. MVIS. Yeah, MVIS is hanging. Donkey Kong. I canceled Donkey Kong for now. We'll wait. Cancel GameStop for now. Trend trades, Dave, if something's in a strong trend, it's going to work. And it just gives you an opportunity to get into stocks, the strong ones, if the market comes in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So it's good. VXRT. Wow. All right. I mean, this is a stock you do not want to be short. You want to be long. VXRT. And again, something like this, I would immediately go and look at options. That's what I would look at. You know, see if you got some upside calls that maybe work. That's what I would be looking for. Oh, don't tell me we just missed BIDU by a penny, guys. No, say it ain't so. Oh my God. We missed BIDU by 2 cents, guys. You got 26 shares? So again, guys, 217.30. We just got out at 217.80 and took 50 cents out of the trade. Look at that. 1,000 shares, you just made $500 in about 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Can it? That's how powerful the technical analysis is when it works. I mean, look at this stock, everybody. It went from $221 to $217.30, exactly hit our level and gave you almost $1 in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Crazy. That is the power of technical analysis. And I got to tell you guys, for this entire year, it has been incredible. It really has. It's just been insane. Our stuff is just working so well. Knock on wood. FCX is a better buy than sell, guys. If it pulls back to a trend line, it is a better buy than it is a sell. 100%. You cheated in BIDU a little bit. Good job. Nice job, guys. All right, guys, how's everybody's morning going? Including my boot camp peeps. Talk to me, gooses. Is everybody in the room green today? Give me a Y. Everybody should be. Christian's doing great. Yes, 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 yes. Green, 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 green. Roy's just chilling and watching. Remy's making a couple of bucks watching us. All right. Excellent. Excellente. Cool. You know what I think is so important for everybody, especially if you're doing this full time. How about, guys, give me some Ys for the people who are doing this full time. How many people are trading full time? Give me some Ys. Not my guys. I know you guys are. So a lot of people. Okay. So, yeah, Roy, I want you to hang out. This is boot camp. Don't worry. Don't rush into anything. It's all good. It's so important for you guys who are trading full. And look, maybe everybody's doing great. Okay. So that's fine. If you're doing great, then that's fine. To me, the most important thing about trading and day trading, number one, it's money management. Number two, it's having the proper technical analysis. But more importantly than that, okay, you want to be in a place where everybody works together, everybody cares about each other, everybody does things together. That's the most important thing in my mind. I mean, there's a lot of rooms out there where you're going to see people get into big trades and then they post. And everybody who's in the room follows them, and the only guys who make money are the guys who get in first. That's not happening here. It's never allowed to happen here. And I trade all day with my people. I'm here for better or for worse. You're going to see every single trade that we do live, in person, and we do have losers. But that's the most important thing. Get with somebody who you're comfortable with, who's going to hold your hand, who's going to mentor you. And I'm not saying it in a babyish way. You guys know what I mean, especially you guys who are more experienced. I have a lot of experienced traders that come to me because, one, they're not doing well. Two, they can be doing better. And, that's what it's all about. I was up 20 grand last month, down 8 grand this month. All right, that's okay. I guess. Now 20 grand's a good month. Look, we've had days in this room where the room has made a couple of $100,000 with some of the bigger traders. Now, I want everybody to notice it's 10-11. It is 10-11, right? And this market is dead. And this is what's been happening every single day for I don't know how long. We get 45 minutes of trading and then squadoosh. And then we're lucky if stuff sets up sometime later in the day. Now, we got earnings. Yeah, UPS is good on the 9, guys. Whatever that is, 9 and the trend. We got earnings. Tonight we're going to be here late. We got AMD, Microsoft, PENN, Google, Starbucks, Visa, and Texas Instruments tonight. So we'll be here after the bell. We might trade some of them after hours. But we're better than that is the next day when stocks are good, they stay good. And when stocks are bad, they stay bad. So we get a lot of nice trend trades. Could I show some example of swing trades? Now, Yeah, NVAX is a trend if we get a pullback to 228, right? 228.40. Let's put it out. I like that in NVAX. And again, stocks that are usually strong like this stay strong for the whole day, and we hope for pullbacks to our moving average lines so we can get in. Odds are they're going to stop going down and start going back up again. So it tells us the price too. Here, 228.50. That's my 9 EMA. So for those of you who want to know exactly what we use, EMA-wise, we use a 9, a 15, a 65, and a 200 exponential moving average. So you guys can have all that. Okay, that's what we use. Then we have pivot points and a relative strength index. That's it. We try to keep it as simple as we can. MRNA, definitely setting up for a trend trade. And then 186.30 would have been a nice short, right? CROX. Yeah, why don't we buy CROX instead of Donkey Kong? What's wrong with you guys? All right, let's get in on a trend in CROX if we can. I mean, it's been messy up to this point, but now it's definitely establishing a trend, right? So 96.30 CROX and 95.80. Let's do it. 96.30 CROX. We'll try to get into a trend trade. I like it. 96.30. All right, I'll look at some of your guys' stocks now because we're kind of slowing down a little bit. So Beyond, Logi, KHC. All right, let's go Beyond. Beyond, we're trading at 133 bucks. Always go right to the daily chart. We're kind of at a big level here, right? If we can get strong above this 133, the next real resistance is up around 139. Listen, you know what, Joe? Everybody uses different technical analysis stuff. Everybody. And, you know, we use what works for us. That's all I could say. Quite frankly, I don't care what anybody else uses. Logi does not trade enough volume for me even to get involved in. You know, it's sitting on the 9 EMA on the daily, and then you got a little support at 112. But we won't trade stocks that trade at least 1 million shares a day, minimum. VXRT and TIRX, VXRT. I mean, again, VXRT to me is a lottery ticket. It's not a day trade. You know, Joe, there's just not going to be a lot of meat on the bone. Unless you really size up down at 680 and try to get 20, 30 cents out of it. You know, that's fine. TIRX. All right. TRIX just hit the trend at 1650. If you got a little bit, that's good. And then 1590. I like 1590. We can do that. TIRX. And this thing's got a great spread, so 1590 we go. If it holds, we can size up a little bit. So again, this is all the rage this morning, right? The stock spiked up to $18. The place to be buying TRIX now, if we pull in, is our 15 EMA at 1590. If it holds this range and throws in a little green bar, it can go from here. But the odds, if we get down to 1590, are going to be very good that it's going to stop going down and start going up. CROX. Someone said something about CROX. Would you buy CROX now, all green? Would I buy CROX now, all green? No, I would not buy CROX now. It's just stretched out too far above the moving average unless we get consolidation here. And then it pops up above that. Then I would buy CROX. Yes. Got an AMC at 13 calls yesterday. Didn't we talk about that yet, Pete? Yesterday, Pete, with AMC? Did we talk about grabbing the calls in that? I thought we did. Yeah, I mean, that's, again, a lotto. It's good. It's good. Yeah, we talked about that. All right, so your options are up nicely. That's great. Tesla. All right, so if Tesla breaks this 707 again, it's not going to be good, right? So I don't like Tesla till 690, 694. That's a spot that I like Tesla. 694. I mean, it's $13 from here. This is a better short if we break these levels for the third time. All right, it's a better short. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but it's a better short. Roku and PENN. Give me a level, Roku. 362.20 Roku all over it, right? Yes. Love it. Roku, 362.20. It's down $3 from here. It's not going to happen, but let's give it a couple minutes. The further something moves to hit one of our levels, the more aggressive I'll be. PENN, 93.90. Let's take a look. All right, PENN, you got 93.90. Where's 93.90? What level is that? Dana, I don't see it. If you have one, it probably bounces off that. I kind of like it. But I don't see it. Yeah, you're on a 2-minute chart. All right, let's look. 15-minute is 93.90. There you go. And then we got 93.40. All right, let's wait. I mean, I like 93.20 and 92.80. That's good. That's real good. PENN. Let's start at 93.20. If we get there, we can add at 92.80. You like it? No, I'm not the best. I've been doing it for 35 years, so I kind of know what's going on here. Cancel Roku. That ain't happening. But we're certainly not the best. We do okay. That's the bottom line. We do okay. All right, CROX. Let's get the smack-a-dacka. Let's go. All right, so that's a trend trade in CROX if we can spike down there. I like that. 96.30, and then we got 95.80. MVIS, let's look. You stopped out at 25 for a profit. Okay, I like that. You rebought at 21.80. All right. The only thing I'm looking at in the MVIS now is maybe a far from moving average trade, right? Oh, we have a bid out at 20.90. I don't even know if yeah, that's down $3 from here. So we're getting close. I'm just looking for another level in MVIS. I mean, the bloom is obviously off the rose in this thing. Next real good level is 1950. That's the next really good level. 1950. Oh, did we get in NVAX? Looks like we did. We're in NVAX, what? At 228.50? All right, good. Let's put a little bit out to sell 229. We get a bounce. Now we got to get MVIS and NVAX at least $1. Put a little at 229. Give it a minute to percolate. 227.20 is the next spot, so to get a bounce. PENN. All right, we saw a little NVAX right away at 229. Very nice. All right, where do we want to go? Want to take a quick dollar at an NVAX? Go 229.40. I mean, it is a trend, but at $1, we'll take it. You guys can trail a little bit. Now 229.40. If we can get a quick dollar. Whoa, out at 229.90. Holy crap. Nice job, guys. So again, let me show you guys NVAX. We just bought it on a trend at 228.50. $2, guys. Boom. There you go. Holy mackerel. And again, it's a trend, so you can stay with it a little bit, but I'm taking $2. I'm fine with that. Nice job. So again, here's a guy in a room, okay, that just bought 1,500 shares and took $3,000 out of the trade. I mean, in seconds. Is that insane? I love it. Donkey Kong? What a piece of crap Donkey Kong is. Yeah, we got to add a little Donkey Kong at 59 just for the hell of it. Good morning, right, guys? Yeah, the room's having a very good morning, guys. That just put everybody over the top. That was nice. Now we're going to lose a lot of people in the room. They're gone. All right, let me cancel all this stuff for now. Let's revisit. BIDU. I got nothing in BIDU at 216.50, maybe a double bottom. That's it. Yeah, we're adding a little Donkey Kong at 59. Johnny, what do you got? With an RSI of 33? MVIS, Tesla. MVIS. God, all I wanted to do was short this MVIS yesterday, and it never gave us an opportunity. Now it's dead. There's nothing to do in MVIS. NVAX was freaking great. All right, guys, look at this. Look at NVAX, guys. Right? 228.50. It went up $4. Some people just got out of the last little bit of that trade. And actually, it's the 9 EMA. I mean, you should still be in some and just be trailing it up. Spectacular. Spectacular. Tilray call options, the buy call. Yeah, May 20th. I mean, May 7th, 20 call. May 7th, 20 call. And again, that's just a lottery ticket. Just a lottery ticket. So we do it very, very small. Bottom line is we can afford to do a bunch of those things, you know, because it all comes out of the money that we make trading. So it doesn't cost us anything. How do you pick the tickers to follow? Well, we try to go where the action is. Quebec. We want to be where the most volatility is, where the most action is. All right, so my whole room just cleared out of NVAX right up here for a $4 trade. How long did that take? A minute? I don't know if I'd short Tesla. I mean, maybe 712 I'd short Tesla, right? Always starting on a 5-minute chart, Eric. We're always starting on a 5-minute chart. And then if we have to go past that to find support or resistance, that's when we will expand our time frames. Okay, but we're always starting on a 5-minute chart. And if that shows us something right there, we're good. We don't have to go any further. Disney. Disney's nothing. It's sitting in between everything. So, guys, now I think we had 6 trades this morning, 5 or 6 trades. And I think we broke even on one and made money on every other one. And good money. We didn't make a couple pennies. We did good today. Thank God. Yeah, Boeing, 241, right? You guys like this? Coming straight down from 243? Or do we go lower? It's going to be 4 red bars in a row. We like Boeing, guys? What's the consensus? Talk to me, gooses. I'm going to let the room decide whether to do this or not. 240.95. Yay or nay? Everybody said yes. All right, let's do it. 240.95. Let's do it. We want it on this pop down. So again, the reason we're doing this, stock is pulling down almost $3 and it will hit a support level, right? So every single thing we do is just based on something hitting something, right? Isn't that great? That's a great question, Jacrita. And, you know, it depends on how much money you have in a bank. Again, I'm just doing everything here for demonstration. I mean, this is my live trading account. I have $28,500 in my Interactive Brokers trading account. This is live. But for me, okay, it doesn't matter how much money I make trading. I'm not doing this to make money trading. I'm doing this to teach people and help them make money trading. I'm doing every single trade live. So it depends on how much money you have in your account. Okay. You know, again, I have people in the room who are just learning this, who are trading 10 shares of stock because they're just learning how to do it. And I got people in this room that are trading thousands of shares of stock every time we do a trade. So it depends on your account. You know, people in my room that trade 100 shares a day probably average $100 a day. You trade 200 to 300 shares a day, you're averaging $200 a day. You're trading 500 shares, you're averaging $500 a day. You're trading 1,000 shares, you're averaging $1,000 a day. And look, we do have losing trades and we do have losing days. Okay, let's not get around that fact. Everybody does. Okay, everybody has losing trades, and everybody has losing days, right? I can tell you guys though, that's it. It's very similar to poker, Bill. Money management is the key to trading. Now we're going to cancel Boeing, guys. Too slow. So you see how Boeing came down, it came close, and then it went up. We don't like it anymore. Too slow. But it is a lot like poker. It's all about money management, right? That's what it's all about. And the good traders and the ones who last in this business are the ones who have good money management skills. And you get out of the bad trades quickly and you let the good trades run. That's what this is all about. Again, you got to put it together with a system that works, right? So NVAX, again, okay, bulls, bears, and pigs, right? So most of my guys took $2, $3. Some got $4 on the trade, and now it's pulling all the way back again. So I'll get back into NVAX now, but not on the 9. I will wait until it comes back to the trend now at that 228.30 level. That's what I'm waiting for in NVAX now. I don't like the 9 again. And what I want to tell everybody about is all these things we're talking about now, okay? This is what I teach at Wall Street Global Trading Academy in our course that is 6 hours long. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. And look, I'm not a big sales guy, okay? I'm really not. But this is the best trading course that has ever been done. I mean, it's sold all over the world. And the best thing about it is it comes with mentorship. Anyone who purchases our course, which I think is $499, but I think we can work something out with Benzinga to give everybody a nice discount on that. For me, it's okay, and Aaron and Spence, if that's all right with you. I don't mind giving everybody a 20% discount and knocking it down to $400. And anyone who wants can buy the course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. And every Thursday night we get together for mentoring, okay? And I think once you go through that, then it's prudent to come into the room. Boeing hit it. What did Boeing hit? Hold on. Nah, not quite. It missed. It never hit it. It's kind of just hanging here. It's not doing anything in here. Yes, I am using Interactive Brokers. Yes. You had to cheat by a lot. Snap. Yeah, you could have just grabbed the trend and snap. Right? 59.20. It's not really doing much, and it's not a great trend. So CCIV, let's take a peek. CCIV had a big run yesterday, right? Yeah. I mean, CCIV really needs to stay above 23.50 now. I mean, look at this. Let me just show you. You guys want to talk about swing trading, right? Okay, so CCIV went from $32 to $18 and hit our 200 EMA. Went a little bit below it, but not much. So 18 was your swing trade in CCIV, and you got a beautiful trade off that. Now we need to stay above 23. Let's just call it 23. And it's also weekly, which is okay to have a little bit of trouble there a couple of times, right? So I see if CCIV can stay above like 23.50, it's probably okay a little longer term. Yep. Yeah, we're going to work, guys. We'll work on that, okay? Anyone who's interested, why don't we do this, guys? Anyone who's interested, can they send an email to you guys at Benzinga? And we'll get a list going.
Let's do this. If you want, if you're interested, email shows@benzinga.com. That's shows, SHOWS, shows@benzinga.com. And just put David Green or put Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Put one of those things in the subject so we know what you're talking about.
All right, there you go. So post that for everybody. Yeah. Again, guys, that is, the course does not only include day trading. We do swing trading, we do options trading, and we do cryptocurrency. All in that course, and you get me every single Thursday night, okay? And then once we go through that a little bit, and again, next week, guys, because I can't have anyone in my room this week because it's my boot camp. Next week, we're going to come on Monday, okay? And then I'll let everybody come into the room next week and hang out with us for 5 days, okay? Yeah, we're gonna get it set up, Doodle. Send an email, and we're gonna knock 20% off for everybody that purchases the course, and I'll be with you every Thursday night. And then next week when I come on Monday, and we'll do a couple more of these lives, okay? Angie, I'll take care of the people in my room. Don't worry about that. All right? I'll take care of the people in my room. We'll do a couple more of these lives. And then next week, I'll be able to, you guys can come and actually hang out in the room with me for 5 days. But the course is something that you're going to have forever. And it's the best thing I've ever done. It really is. I did a course with Investopedia 4 years ago, which people are still buying from Investopedia. And this one is 50 times better. Look, I can show you guys real quick. Just give me 1 minute. I'll show you what it's about. If you guys can see my screen. You guys see my screen with the with me and Peter on it? Everybody see that?
Yep, we got it.
All right, so cool. So this is my motto, right? Learn once, earn for a lifetime. That is copy marked. So let me show you the course. I mean, it's really, really good. And again, I'm not a big salesman, but people have bought this course and started trading and have been kicking ass with it. Plus, we get together every Thursday night, so it's cool. So we have over 6 hours of stuff in here, okay? Stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, chart basics, the 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin and crypto, and then every Thursday night we get together. And we answer questions for everybody, and that's it. And then next Monday, I'll have everybody come into the room, and we can hang out for 5 days. GameStop turning on. Ooh, look at that, yes. And, you know, look how close GameStop came to banging us down here at that 175 level. I missed by a couple of bucks, but it just shows what a good trade it would have been down there. We can short a double top in GameStop now. That's one of the setups that we talk about. Boeing, Baba. Who do we email, Angie? Who do we email? I'll get that for you.
Shows at Benzinga. It was up on the screen. I'll put it up there again. Shows at benzinga.com.
There you go.
Put David Green in the subject line.
Yeah, this is just a course that you're going to get and you can keep forever. All right, look, we're going to give me and Spencer a little bit to work out how we get the discount code up there for you guys. Okay. CROX. Let's look. And then next week, everybody can come hang out in the room. Yeah, I mean, look at CROX. Again, beautiful uptrend. So CROX hit our 9 EMA at 96.50, guys, not too long ago. Remember, we were bidding 96.30. Yes, Stace, it's going to be $100 off. Yes. Right? We were bidding 96.30 in CROX. We've just missed it. It went up $2.50 from there. Okay? You know, this has been, I don't know. This has been a great day as far as all our technical analysis working. I'm almost like, you know, maybe this is too good and giving everybody a false sense of that everything works. It doesn't always work all the time. If I'm going to be one thing, it's going to be honest with all you guys. Okay? And, you know, it doesn't always work all the time. Happy, again, Happy just put up the Green Room Live link, but please wait until next week. Okay? I am in my live boot camp, and everybody's paying a lot of money to be with me for not a lot of money, but whatever. When I do the boot camp, guys, which will be an option for everybody, okay? I'm doing the entire course live for 40 hours over the course of the week while we are trading. So as soon as I finish up with you guys, about 11:15, we're going to start our morning lesson. Yesterday, all we did was talk about money management for the entire day. We spent 5 hours talking about money management, okay? Today, we're going to start learning how to trade. We're going to talk about all our technical analysis in the charts and then how to read our charts. Then we're going to go into the 5 individual trades that we talk about. Anyway, at some point, I'll make that available to whoever wants to come and do the actual live boot camp. Look, here's the bottom line, okay? Again, for everybody. Find what works for you and find where you're comfortable, right? That's what this is all about. But get with somebody who's not full of shit. Pardon my language. I think that's the most important thing. I'm doing this for 35 years. I love every minute. To me, when I come in the morning, it's like playing in the Super Bowl every day. That's how I feel about trading. I love it. And again, we're talking about day trading. You want to talk about investing in swing trading? We do that also. Okay. 100% we do that also. How to get the discount code, how to get the discount code, how to get the discount code. I think Spencer has put it up a few times.
I'm going to say it several more times, David. Up on the screen. Email shows@benzinga.com. Just do me a favor and put David Green in the subject line so I know what you're talking about, because we get a lot of emails.
Yeah, really.
The email address goes to several people, not just me. So there it is, shows@benzinga.com. This has been amazing, an amazing hour, more than an hour now. David, thank you so much for doing this. I'm wondering if you have any sort of like final thoughts. I first off, is there a way to see the scorecard for the day, or no, or is that or do you
guys? How many? Again, my job in this room is to help everybody, right? So I don't even do all the trades all the time.
Okay.
Let me ask, guys, how many trades today and how many winners? Here, I'll show you guys this, so you know I'm not making it up. This is my room. Okay.
Yep.
Right now, there's 54 people in my room. There were 93 this morning. Half the people are gone already because they made their money. Guys, someone type in how many trades, how many winners today, please. Please, please. All winners today. Okay.
All right. On what? 5, 6 trades, right?
Some people had more. Matthew had 9 trades. He made money on 9.
Yeah.
Manny had 10 trades. He made money on 10.
Yeah.
David only had 1. Humberto had 3. So it was a good day.
Good day. Guys, I hope you learned something. I mean, I certainly did. This was fantastic stuff to watch in real time. We will be doing more live trading on this channel, and we will have to get David back. You know, I doubt this is something that we do, you know, every day. But I'll talk with David and we'll figure out a way that we can do this on a recurring basis. If you liked the video, do us a favor, smash that like on YouTube. It you know, we're putting this out there. David spent the morning, didn't have to do that, just with us. We appreciate that. Show us love, show him love by hitting that like button. And I hadn't even gone through my email yet. I will talk with David. We will get together, and I will communicate the offer out to everyone who emailed shows@Benzinga. Daniel Goldman says bring him back ASAP. I will do my absolute best to bring him back ASAP.
Spence, here's what we can do. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get in touch with my website guy.
Yeah.
Okay. And what we'll do is we'll just lower the price on the website to 400, and we'll do it for like 3 hours or 4 hours. And this way, anyone who wants it, the price will be up there. You won't need a discount code. You'll just be able to purchase it for $400. All right. I'll get in touch with him. Let's do that for the rest of the day. As soon as I get in touch with him, the price is going to go down to $400 for the rest of today. And anyone who wants it can go in there and buy it. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.
Oh man, I got rare praise. Internet Enforcers, thank you so much. Internet Enforcers, who is the most critical person on the internet, but he's happy with this today. So thank you. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna let you go. Like you said, most of your action is done in the first hour. We're done with the first hour. I'm sure you'll do a couple more things throughout the morning, but I want to let you hop. David Green, thank you so much for joining us today. Any final thoughts you want to leave us with before you go?
Most important thing, guys, about any kind of trading, okay, is patience, discipline, and money management. A lot of people have FOMO, and FOMO ends up getting you in trouble. And when you chase stocks that you shouldn't be chasing, you see how calm we are, right? And again, that just comes with time. When things line up, we make our trades, stay nice and calm, keep it on an even keel. But money management is the key to any kind of trading. So practice that. That's it. All right. As soon as I know when I'll have David back, I'll let you know when I'll have David back. And that's what we'll do. David Green, thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. We all appreciate it. My pleasure. Thank you. Okay. All right.
Guys, if you liked that, seriously, hit that like button. That was amazing. I'm going to go through this video after we're done and chapterize it, so you can go through and see where we talked about each stock. But we asked you what you wanted, and you said more live trading. We're going to do more live trading, whether it's from David or from other people. But we will do more live trading on this channel. I promise. It is our mission to find. And hey, if you know anyone, I'm putting it out there to you. If you're watching right now and you know anyone that you think would want a live trade, on Benzinga, send them my way. Send them to shows@benzinga.com. You can email me if you want, SpencerIsrael@benzinga.com. And yeah, I mean, we are trying to find those people and bring them on so they can drop their knowledge and share it with us. So do that. And what was I going to say? SPAX Attack is coming up next in about 20 minutes. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, check out the offer on the bottom of the screen, pro.benzinga.com, YouTube or offer code YouTube20. It'll get you 20% off Benzinga Pro, which is our real-time news and research platform. You also get a free 2-week trial as well. If you want to become a pro affiliate, there's a link, benzinga.partnerstack.com. Check it out. You will get a cut of every new subscription that you send our way. If you haven't already, check out Benzinga Clips, guys. It's our new YouTube channel where we're putting highlights of shows like this one included, highlights of all of our shows on Benzinga Clips. There it is. You can find it by going to YouTube, going to Benzinga's channel. Right there, Benzinga Clips. Check it out there if you haven't already. And what else did I want to say? I think that was it. Yeah, I think that was it. Engage with us on anywhere, on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok. We are. I'm trying to always get better at responding to people who reach out, who tweet at me, who email me. Buffalo. Wait, this one's good. To do some live panic. Yeah, maybe one day, Buffalo. Maybe one day we will do some live panic selling. That'll be a day. That'll be a day. SJ Israel is my Twitter handle, Chris. So that you can tweet at me as well. But yeah, this was our first time doing it. I didn't know what to expect. Honestly, I didn't. I didn't know. I know David is good and he's no bullshit, but I didn't know if it was gonna go horribly wrong. It seems like it did not go horribly wrong, which is good. Who's to say it won't go horribly wrong one day? But I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm happy with how that went. I thought it went great. I wasn't joking when I wasn't lying when I told David that. Webcoin, yes, we have a host for our live panic selling show. Awesome. Yes, that's what I want to hear. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if we can panic sell. I guess we can panic sell in any market. But yeah, hey, I'm not even joking. I'm not. I know that was said in jest by Buffalo, but I'm not joking. If you want to stream yourself losing money on Benzinga, then let us know. 13. We actually, I forgot to mention this morning. We hit 90,000 subscribers to Benzinga's YouTube channel overnight. I don't know when. It was sometime overnight. We hit 90,000 subscribers on YouTube. Next stop is 100K. If you're not already, subscribe to Benzinga on YouTube. You get notified whenever we go live, whether it's pre-market prep, whether it's live trading, SPAX Attack, Power Hour, Get Technical, whatever. You'll get notified when we go live, and that's the easiest way to find us, quite frankly. Yes, 100K is up next. So we are... Let's get to 350 likes if we can before I'm done talking here. But that's going to be it, though. I'm going to wrap it up. We're done. Like I said, SPAX Attack is coming up next in 15 minutes right here. It's going to redirect. In fact, let me confirm the redirect, but it should redirect straight to SPAX Attack. You don't have to do anything. The redirect is set. And... you can also, don't forget, SPAX Attack is doing their contest, their swag giveaway. Every week we're doing a swag giveaway on a different show. This week, the swag giveaway is on SPAX Attack. So if you want to win up to $100 in Benzinga swag, you got to watch SPAX Attack for A, the link to enter, B, the secret code. Oh, Jason's here. Didn't even see him. The secret code is only given away once per show, and it'll happen on SPAX. Jason, what's up? Doesn't even know he's here. He knows he's here. He's just messing with me. All right. This is a compliment. Thank you, Quebec. Your mic's off. Wait, Jason, your mic's off. But look, I am the thing behind the thing. Invest in me. Go long, Spencer. I don't know. Plug your mic in, Jason. There we go. No, I still can't hear you. But I heard a click there.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. I hear you.
Oh my God.
Jason, I hear you.
I know, but
okay, he can't hear me. Yes, Chris. Ticker time to end the at the close shit.
All right, Spencer, listen. I can hear everything you're saying.
Okay, good. What are we doing? What are we even doing here? I was about to sign off.
I need to talk to you. Don't hang up yet.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
IJ says I can never go on vacation. I am going out of town for a couple of days in the next few months. Just FYI. There's a couple of days in May and a couple of days in June.
No, you're not going out of town, but I want to come on just for 1 second, Spencer. Okay. It's pretty important, okay?
I'm with you.
I want to say I think you have done a great job today overall, from on the pre-market prep to getting more likes, the 50% ratio. Sometimes you get complaints that you're not promoting and getting subscribers and all this stuff. I thought today you were fantastic. I love that your call out to get other traders to live trade their screen. You know, if you guys email us, like you said, shows@benzinga.com.
Yes.
Spencer's going to put other people on, but Spencer has been calling it out and just been, I feel like I was like a new Spencer today. I don't know. I've been hearing you in the office, and I really wanted to, I was going to tell you this after the show, but then I'm like, you know what? He's still on and he's talking. I'm just going to come on and say it because I know I normally come on and talk shit. And this time I'm just not talking shit. And I just thought you were doing awesome today.
I wanted to tell. It's always a 50-50 thing with you. Am I going to get love or am I going to get destroyed for something that I didn't do? But today I'm getting some love.
No, you're getting love, and because of that, you get the same wings, same wings every day.
Oh, that's my prize.
Yeah, that's your prize.
More wing stuff. Awesome.
Thank you. I did get that Mexican place that one day, or no, that was Middle Eastern. Yeah. But seriously, oh yeah, that's a better idea. Get you a Happy Meal, McDonald's Happy Meal. Yeah, but no, you were promoting. You're getting people to come on to host the trading shows. I love it, and it was great. I'm sitting here in the office hearing you, and instead of just saying it in private, I just wanted to say, guys, let's give Spencer a clap of the hands, just like Risking Ideas just did, and so did Martin Agabansu or something. So thank you guys. That's why I came on, and I know you thought I was faking you out with the talk thing. No,
thank you.
Oh, look at that, Spencer. Look at that, Spencer. Holy moly, look at the screen.
Oh, internet enforcers of all people.
A $25 thing.
Internet enforcers. That means a lot because pleasing him is no easy task.
Well, I got a surprise for you about internet enforcers. He doesn't even know the surprise yet. So
my 2-week vacation.
No, you guys are going to be talking a lot more. That's a surprise.
Okay. I've never spoken to internet enforcers, so I don't know. I just know. All I know is the myth behind the man behind the name. I don't know anything. I've never spoken.
No, I hear you. I think he may be joining our Slack today. So, because a lot of the stuff, like the feedback for like Benzinga clips, I'm like pasting in, like, remember the logo and the color? It's not me. It's not me writing that, Spencer. It's internet enforcers.
Yeah.
And so I was figuring, you know what? Instead of being a go-between, just let him in the jungle. So I just invited him to Slack, and I said, welcome to the jungle, internet enforcers. Now just come hack it out. So that's the
yes, and Cal, we do listen to you. We ask for advice. We don't do it for fun. Like, we do it because we want feedback. We don't ask for feedback because it makes us feel better. That would be silly.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, that's why we do it. Solar Up content and stock trading will commence at 11 a.m. We're just doing a little bit of a rant and a little bit of talking. People need a break to go to the bathroom, to read the paper, to ride their bike, get the mail, get coffee, get mail out of their mailbox, get open the pool, all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Hack's mom has been listening to me from the very beginning and couldn't be prouder. Thank you, Hack's mom. Tell Hack I say hi.
oh yeah, I forgot a smoke break. There's people that do smoke breaks too.
Maybe.
Yeah, I mean,
not me, but some people.
Oh, this person just wrote to what a weird. I can't say that word. You guys, if you haven't watched the behind the scenes of Benzinga, if you guys haven't watched the behind the scenes of Benzinga, you gotta watch it.
That's a good idea. I forget how long it is.
About 8 minutes.
8 minutes. I might.
Oh, you play it. That's good.
I might just play it right now.
Absolutely, do that. Yeah, please do that.
Where's the Benzinga? There it is. It's 9 minutes. All right. I think I might just play this video right now.
All right, Spencer. Good job today, man. Talk to you soon.
Thank you very much, Raz. I appreciate it.
All right. Peace
out.
All
right. We're trying to do more office, stuff, more behind the scenes stuff. This is our first series. We recently went 36, actually more. We went 3 days without running water in this office. So that was sort of the theme of our first Benzinga office vlog. And it debuted over the weekend. I'm going to play it for you right now. And then Spec Stack will be after that. So here we go.
Benzinga.
Wait, I want to make sure we can hear it. Actually, hold on. I don't. Let me do it again so we can actually hear what I'm sharing. I've made that mistake before, but I will not make it again. So, give me 1 second. Here it is. All right, that's better.
So it's 6:27 a.m. Driving in to Benzinga. We've got a lot on the agenda today. Just remember, obstacles are there for you to go around them, through them, and to make it happen. You make it happen.
All right, what's going on, Zinger Nation? It is Aaron and Rohan, the two #1 employees at Benzinga. We are definitely better than anyone else who works here.
Clearly.
We're outside the office currently, and we're about to take you on a sneak peek at a day in the life of Benzinga.
So yeah, this is the main lobby. This is what we get to see, the world's tallest water fountain. Indoor. Indoor water fountain.
When you give me shockwaves, I won't. When you give me shockwaves,
You know what? I would not be able to do that.
Why?
I still don't know enough to talk about it.
Why? You can do it. Just give it a chance. Seriously. Want to try it?
Yeah, it's really good. It's a huge deal, so we're looking forward to it. But I need to get some water really quick.
Why is there no water? I went to get water today and it wasn't working. Tell me why.
How's working in the office been? What's this week been like?
Overall, a solid week. Obviously, a lot of anxiousness with the Biden tax proposal increase. So that's kind of one of the big topics right now today in the office. We're actually live on our weekly happy hour that we do with our Benzinga Pro users every Thursday from 4 to 5. It's Monday through Wednesday from 4 to 5. We just do stock picks. So right now, kind of as a group, we're discussing kind of what our thoughts are on the proposal, how we think it's going to affect the market, if we think the proposal will actually end up going through or not. I'd say overall, we also have a small cap event going on. So we got Luke and Jason in one of the rooms right now. Overall, I'd say things are moving here. Obviously, a lot slower than usual. A lot of people are working remote. We have about, let's say, 15 or so people in the office right now out of about 85 or so within the company. So, excited to hopefully get everyone back in here one day. But for now, kind of got the smaller crew in here, so it's kind of easier to settle in. It's a little quieter, and it's not too bad though. So things are going pretty good.
Awesome.
So you don't have water?
Why don't we have water?
It's Aaron Thomas,
Wait, stop. Wait, stop.
Okay, so in other words, what the hell, guys? That's unreal. Edwin Dorsey writes the Bear Cave newsletter, and I just saw someone in chat, Voodoo.
Yo, AB, say something funny. You're in Michigan. How's the flight in?
You know, flight was good.
Yeah.
Had some, was flirting with the flight attendant a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah. I got half of her phone number. Gonna try to get the other half on the way back.
All done? Let's go.
All right, so it's been kind of a hectic week, but let's go check in with Mr. Spencer Israel and see how production has been going.
Yo, Spencer.
Yes.
So how's this week been going so far in production?
Depends on the day. It's going well. It's going well. It's busy. We've got our Clean Tech conference this week that I'm preparing for, and yeah, man, it's a grind, but we're always trying to get a little bit better, 1 inch better every day.
How's the channel growth coming along?
Channel growth, it depends which channel we're talking about. We're talking about Benzinga, we're talking about Benzinga Clips. Because Benzinga Clips, I'm super excited about that, right? We started from 0 last week, and we're seeing some good numbers there. So we're super excited about the Benzinga Clips.
All right, so we're going to get started. I'll do the intro, just kind of thanks, Senator. Thanks for being here. Take care.
What are we working on right now?
We are getting ready for the Clean Tech conference tomorrow. What is it? A lot of EV companies. We are organizing the editors so that they can clip out each presenter and their segments.
What do I do?
Oh, hell yeah.
Easy money, man.
USDC. All right, we got Jason in here. He's always on some sort of interview or something.
USDC is a crypto.
So around like 11:30, and gotta stop prepping for Power Hour. It's a big show around here. Got a pretty big day today. We're in office for this episode. I know we normally come from like Antarctica and Oslo, Norway, but keep it simple. Just in Detroit this time around.
Okay.
Andrew, like this heavy ass Italian accent, like heavy, like to the point where I thought it was a parody, but like I couldn't say anything.
There's some pre-market prep sounds.
Yeah, that's a good use of this time is figuring out the soundboard.
No. Nobody does this.
Hey, what's up?
All right, there we go. How about that, guys? Pre-market prep intro, changing it up on this hump day. What's up? Happy hump day, everybody.
Hello, guys. How are ya?
Peter and Mark, busy day for you guys. SYSX is up 900. I said 90. 900% today. 900%. SYXX is up 900%. What is going on?
What do you think the chances are we're gonna get some Wingstop for lunch today?
We get Wingstop all the time.
I shouldn't actually say that.
So we got some details over here, right?
We gotta make sure these puppies work. B-dubs. It's only Wingstop. Sponsor us, Wingstop.
It's the same wings, the same flavors every single time. Every time it's the same.
It's food.
Sheet. So cash has a balance sheet. Instead of leaving it in a checking or savings account, they're searching for higher yield. Well, the dollar goes down as the government prints more money typically.
I went to get water. There's no water. I'm like, what the heck is going on here?
Something broke, and Aaron Thomas, instead of calling somebody in to fix it, ordered a part so he could install it himself.
From Germany? Yeah.
Everyone's always in some sort of meeting, tucked away in their corner.
It's really ridiculous. If I saw Aaron Bree with no, to be honest, Mitch, he really cleaned up his beard. And I don't really, his hair, something's different. But his beard was off, and I saw him tomorrow. I wouldn't recognize him at first.
Into the cannabis brand. Awesome. Guys, what's on the radar for that?
But no, there is an issue with the open office. I learned today. Guy Burt was talking to me,
I mean, this is maybe an uncomfortable subject to talk about, but I'm radical candor. That's what Benzinga is about. There's a thing called flagellates. With our chairs, we have these like cool little chairs that are like clear and whatever. If someone has to maybe have flagellants, what do? They can have the chair, but what if it makes a noise? They'll be embarrassed. So they got to go to another room. And so Bert said we should create, what kind of room should we create, Bert? No, you call it fartbox.io. Bert said we should create what he just said.
All right, Zinger Nation, I hope you enjoyed that little behind-the-scenes look at the Benzinga team in a week in kind of our life and producing content for you guys and honestly doing a whole lot more. If you guys actually enjoyed this, then let us know. Drop a like, obviously leave a comment, maybe throw a plus sign on there. I hear that works. And share this with a friend. And you gotta let us know that you want another episode if you do want one. So maybe we'll see you next week if you guys respond well enough to this. But with that, this is producer Rohan signing off. And that was AT. And yeah, all right, see you guys.